Chris. Twins, are we going to have a blast today? Yes or no?
Yes!
Should we go in this?
Has he done it?
The primrose expansion.
That's on.
And legs inside the ride at all times. Don't touch those. Keep up. And loads of fun. Are we ready?
Yeah!
Are we steady?
Yes!
Are we picking our noses? No, don't do that. Only silly people pick their nose. Yes. And you're not going to go with that guy. Oh, isn't that nice of them all? That means it's my turn! What's it like down there? Come back in! Do it again!
Oh my god, that was a big one.
Did you imagine?
Well done.
I know. Careful.
Well done, Sanu, well done. Oh, look at the dinosaurs' eggs. Oh my god. They're hatching.
Hi everyone, we're here today celebrating the Queen's Jubilee at the Four Kingdoms with the twins! We're just heading over to the tractor ride and we're going to have the best time.
Twins are having a fantastic time, aren't you? Say pip pip.
We call the green belt. All the trees go around in a horseshoe shape, okay? And you never know what you're going to see. So I'm always looking and I'm seeing some amazing things. So you're just going to keep looking and looking and looking. And of course, enjoy the lovely smooth tractor ride.
We're going to see dinosaurs.
Is everybody happy?
Yay!
Goes like this. Thumbs on seats, thumbs on seats, thumbs on seats, thumbs on seats.
Oh!
All we do ask is, if you drop any litter on board, can you please pick it up and take it with you?
Oh, Hoshi! Tosayo!
Say hello to Jeffrey and Betsy. These are our cattle. You might also see Summer and Carmen with them, our llamas. This is because they think they're cows. We're up together in the backfield and they are the best of friends.
Say hi, Matthew. Say hi to the llama. I love
Have you seen any alpacas yet?
scared one.
Well, don't be alarmed if you haven't. Did you see what I did there? No, anyways, we have two kinds of
Have a look here,
alpacas
please.
at the park. Hakayas and Ceres. And the llamas have banana-shaped ears, longer snouts,
What's this?
and much taller, so you'll be able to tell the difference between the alpacas. How cool is that?
You see,
Ready?
Forward with some nice steering for me. That's it. Okay, you're ready to go now.
Whoa. Indiana Jones. Whoa, whoa. Hey, go, go, go. Nirvika.
I'm going to miss it.
Press, press.
I'm pressing.
Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel, yeah. Now press. Look here.
Cheese.
come on, we can get here, Kantan.
Meow, meow, meow.
Kantan, smile.
Put you both here.
Whoopa, can you please help her? Can you carry her up there, please? Yeah, put her up there. She'll be fine.
Should I?
No, you can go after.
Look at that. Shotgun, a dirty Look at this one.
There you are. Is that it?
Hey, you know Georgia Ezra. Oh,
Hey!
This is love, love it easy. Easy to take to do. This is love, love it easy.
yeah, so funny.
Oh.
I live for the drama.
Oh. Oh.
Oh my god, look at the butterflies.
Ah.
Right, come then. I think people do climb on these because look, it wouldn't balance like that.
Oh my god.
What?
What? Should we go? Quickly go with your sister. Quickly go inside the house. The caveman's got 1 hour. He'll come back in 1 hour. Sit in his car. You guys have got done chickens for children. Perfect. So that handle in the middle, that is your steering. It's left to go right and right to go left, so it is opposite. Try not to crash into anything. Stay sat down at all times. So it's one big loop around the island, so you get 2 laps, okay?
2 laps, okay.
Enjoy, guys.
That was. Lah. See you later, alligator. Oh my god.
Sit down. Straight.
This way.
Bye.
This way. Smile. Are you enjoying your food?
Where? There's someone in that dinosaur.
Okay, we are having our picnic today in Four Kingdom Dinosaur Park. My lovely sister has made the chow mein. Let me try. And obviously, you can't eat chow mein without a whiskey.
She's right here.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for this guy.
Lah. Ready?
Now push.
Ready? Wow. Well done. Well done. Hãy đụng vào. Wow. Nirvana, what are you feeding? What are you feeding?
The goat.
It's not the goat, it's the sheep. रातो फाले क्वाया क्वाया सुत्केरीलाई खुवाया सुत्केरीको नाम गरी टाउको मैले खाया ए होइन मैले ठाटेको Oh my bunny, so cute.
We have a bunny. We have a bunny, Daddy.
Okay, look here. Can you tell me what that is? Hello, Dipper. What is that? No, yeah, but what is it? Is it a rabbit? Hamster.
Oh my God, look.
Oh,
Dog.
you got bunny. That's not a dog. That's a bunny. Yeah, she thought it was a dog.
One is called Jazz and the grey one is called Luna.
Go standing. Wait, no, don't drop it. Don't give it to your sister just yet. I'll give it to her. Just hold it. You don't want to drop it.
Take that out.
Take it out. Oh, here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Hold it. Hold it. 2 hands. Hold it. No. Hold it, because if you drop it, then you're gonna get.
Those are the biggest turtle ever. Look at that. And look at this one.
Look at that turtle. Oh my God.
Baby turtle.
It's real.
Aww. There's a baby turtle swimming. There, look.
Let's have a look.
A baby turtle.
You can't see from here.
At the top. Did someone put that
I
one?
can't see. There's
So
Oh.
hot in